How to easily delete a custom field from your email list in Moosend. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. On the menu bar, click on Audience, and then select Email Lists from the drop-down menu. Here you'll see a list of your email lists. Locate and click on the name of the email list that includes the custom field you want to delete. Now, on the menu on the left-hand side, click on Create Custom Fields to manage your custom fields. Here you'll see a list of all the custom fields for this particular email list. To delete a custom field, simply select the checkbox next to it. Great! Now that you've selected the custom field, click on the Select Action drop-down menu that appears above the list of custom fields. From the drop-down menu, select Delete to proceed with the deletion of the custom field. A pop-up message will appear on the page, confirming that you want to permanently delete the custom field. Take a moment to review the details and ensure that you've selected the correct custom field. Once you're certain, click on the OK button to proceed with the deletion.